In this video, we are going to learn about the graph of function of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In the previous grades, you learned about the graphs of the functions of the form y equals ax squared and also y equals ax squared plus b. And you know the basic characteristics when a takes a negative value and when a is a positive value. Now, to identify the characteristics of the graphs of the functions of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, here also we are going to first consider the instance where a takes a positive value. That means a is greater than 0. To do this, first I am going to draw the graph of the function y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. In order to draw this graph, I need the points to plot on the Cartesian plane. Therefore, to find the points, I am going to complete this table. Here I have taken the x values from -2 to +4, and you have to find the values which come to these cages. Okay, let us do it. When x is equal to -2, x squared will be +4. X is equal to -1, x squared will be +1. X equals to 0, x squared will be 0 times 0 is again 0, 1, 4, 9, and 16. This row, when you are going to complete this row, you have to multiply the x values by -2. Negative times -2 will be +4. -2 into -1 is -2 into 0 is 0. Here -2 times +1 is negative. The values will be -3. The function is y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. So you have to find the value of these three rows. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3. 1 minus 2 is -1. -1 minus 3 is -4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 minus 3, -3. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 3. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 3 will be 5. So these are the values. So the coordinate, first one will be -2 and 5 because we have to take the x coordinate and the y coordinate. And the last point will be 4, 5. So these are the coordinate pairs, and now we have to select a suitable Cartesian plane and plot these points on the Cartesian plane and join these points smoothly. So you can see the x values varies from -2 to +4 and the y values varies from -4 to +5. So when you draw the graph, you will get a graph like this. So now we are going to identify some characteristics that you can see in this graph. Here also you have obtained a parabola. Therefore, The graph of a function of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is called a parabola. The graph is symmetric about the line x equals 1. So the axis of symmetry of this graph will be x equals 1. When the x values increases gradually from -2, the corresponding y values decreases until it attains a minimum value -4 and then starts increasing again. As the value of x increases from -2 to -1, the value of y, that means the value of the function, decreases positively, this part. When the value of x increases from -2 to -1, the value of the function decreases positively. And the function takes the value 0 when x is equal to -1. As the value of x increases from -1 to +1, the function value decreases negatively. And when the value of x increases from +1 to +3, you can see the function increases negatively. And at last, when the x value increases from +3, the value of the function increases positively. So these are the characteristics that you can see in this graph. So you can go through these, and these are the things that I told about the characteristics of the graph that we drew. Okay, now let us draw the graph of the function in the given range. By selecting a suitable scale, they have given the x values as -4 to +2. The function is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 7. To do this, first we have to prepare a table of values. We'll do that. X value is -4. -4 squared is 16. Here 9, 4, 1, 0, 1. Then you have to take the value of 2x. That means you have to multiply this value by +2. When you multiply it by +2, you will get these values. Now you have to subtract 7. Then the y value will be x squared plus 2x minus 7. So you have to find the value of these three rows. 16 minus 8 will be 8. 8 minus 7 will be 1. Sorry, 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 7 will be -4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 7 is -7. 1 minus 2 is -1. -1, -7 means -8. 0, 0, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 7 is -4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 7 will be +1. So this is the table of values, and the coordinate pairs will be -4, 1, -3, -4, -2, -7, -1, -8, 0, -7, 1, -4, and 2, +1. So when you plot the points on the Cartesian plane and join them smoothly, you will get a graph like this. So we'll answer the questions they have asked. Using the graph, write down the minimum value of the function. So you can see the minimum value of the function is -8. In other words, Minimum value of the function means minimum value of y. It is -8. The answer is -8. The coordinates of the turning point. So this is the turning point and the coordinate pairs will be 0, -8. So I have written the answer 0, -8. The next question is the equation of the axis of symmetry after drawing it. Now, when you draw the graph, the equation of the graph will be symmetric about this axis, and the equation of that line will be x equals -1. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry. Then, the values of x for which y is equal to 0. Y equals 0 means this line, you can see it intercepts at 2 points. The values will be x equals -3.8 and x equals 1.8. Here, this value will be -3.8 and this value will be positive 1.8. We get two values for x because it's a quadratic function. Next one, the range of values of x for which the function is negative. So, from here to here, the function takes negative because in this range, the function takes negative values. So, the range of values you have write like -3.8 less than x less than 1.8. This is the way you have to write the answer for the range of values of x. Next question is the range of values of x for which the function is positive. So you can see when the x value is less than 3.8, -3.8, and the x value is greater than positive 1.8, the function takes positive values. So the answer will be x is less than -3.8 and x is greater than positive 1.8. The next part is the range of values of x for which the function is decreasing positively. So there are four cases. From here to here, the function decreases positively. From here to here, function decreases negatively. From here to here, function increases negatively. And from here to here, function increases positively. Now they ask you the range of where the function decreases positively. So the x value is less than -3.8, the function decreases positively. X value less than -3.8. Next one, the range of values of x for which the function is increasing negatively. So this is the part they are asking about. So the x value will be -1 here and here it will be positive 1.8. So -1 less than x less than 1.8 will be the answer. Now you can try out more sums regarding the graphs of the functions of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c and confirm your knowledge about these graphs.